Hello and welcome back. I hope you thought reading about the bees yesterday was pretty interesting. Today we are going to be reading The Bee and the Goats, a play. And so if you come to the live session, I'm going to have some of you act it out. But if not, you're just going to have to read it on your own. Maybe you can ask some people in your household to help you. That would be fun. Just a suggestion. So the characters in this, we have our narrator, our cat, boy, rabbit, fox, and bee. The scene, the action takes place in a large green grassy area with a hill and a carrot field. The scene opens with a boy and his three goats. Again, before we start reading this, we set our scene and we're going to actually go look at our questions we need to be looking for while we're doing this. So 11, where does the play take place? So we actually already found that out. So you should have that in the back of your head. Why does the author include the narrator in the play? So what is the reason that the narrator's there? Part A, it looks like we're talking about the word disbelief, trying to figure out what that means. And what does dis mean? The prefix dis on disbelief mean? So you use your context clues. And then 15, at the end of the play, the animals learn a lesson from the bee. What is the moral or lesson from the play? So what do we learn? 16, select the line from the play that best supports your answer for question 15. So how do you know that this is a lesson? What supports it? What happens after each is to get the goats out of the carrot field? And throughout the play, the author repeats the action of the animals and boy trying to get the goats out of the field, but then giving up and crying. What do you think the author? Sorry, why do you think the author repeats this throughout the text? So why is he showing that repetition? And then I'll describe the last part in a second. So start this off. It says narrator. Once a boy had three goats. One was a big goat, one was a middle sized goat, and one was a little goat. The boy lived near a hill. Every day he took the goats to the hill to eat the green grass. One morning, on the way to the hill, the goats ran into a carrot field. The boy ran after the goats, but he could not get them out. So he sat down on the grass. He was upset and he began to cry. Then along came a cat. Why are you crying? Oh, my goats are in the carrot field. I ran and ran, but I could not get them out. Don't worry, I will do it for you. So I wonder if the cat is able to get the goats out. Keep reading to find out. And then you're answering your questions. And then this last part, I have directions on the side. It says, there are 4 choices after each blank. Choose the correct word that would fit in the blank and type it in the box. So you're going to read the story, and then every time you come to a blank, there's 4 choices, A, B, C, and D, about what word should be in the blank. So it's up to you to try and figure out which one goes there. So it says Anthony's Beehive was founded in 1999. After watching a video in his 3rd grade classroom, Anthony became very interested in honeybees. Over time, this developing, development, into a lifelong passion. So take your time and put each word in there. Developed into a lifelong passion, this developing into a lifelong passion, this develop into a lifelong passion, this develop into a lifelong passion. Try and figure out which one makes sense and type that in here. And then you just have a couple more to do. So again, you're finishing that play. So you're doing slides 5 through 9 today.